A question I get asked all the time is, what is innovation and excellence, and why should I implement them within my organization? First, let me tell you that innovation and excellence are not new ideas. They have been around for years. It's recently that these words have started to spread like wildfires. Every successful company throughout time has embraced these concepts, and that is how they were able to grow and scale. What's going on, guys? Velani here from Velani Consulting. Today, I want to discuss the concepts of innovation and excellence within your organization. To start off with, let's first define these concepts. Innovation simply means the ability to experiment or to create something new or to innovate something that's in existence to make it better. This can include a product, a process, technology, and so forth. Excellence then is to take that innovation and make it repeatable and scalable. That means that excellence takes something that is novel and then finds a way to standardize it. Let's actually take a look at this in a real life example. So if you've bought anything online over the last decade, you would have seen what's called a recommendation engine working. This is basically when you get to the checkout page and the website throws up other items that you might be interested in to entice you to purchase more. A standard practice that most savvy online retailers have adopted. But did you know that it almost didn't come into existence? It was originally created by a guy named Greg Linden. Now, while working at Amazon from 97 to 02, Linden prototyped a system for making personal recommendations for other products to customers as they checked out. Now, the problem was a marketing senior vice president thought that this would distract customers from completing their purchase and didn't think that Linden had enough proof to make it work. Here is what Linden wrote in his blog about that incident. I heard a SVP was very angry with me when he discovered that I was pushing out a test, but even for top executives, it was hard to block a test. The measurement is good. The only good arguments against testing would be that the negative impact might be so severe that Amazon couldn't afford it. A difficult claim to make. Linden's experiment ultimately showed that customers really like the feature, and recommendations have become a signature design for Amazon. The rest, as they say, is history. Now, can you imagine going up against a senior vice president when he clearly does not approve of your idea? This is the type of culture that Amazon had created. Innovation was not only allowed, but it was actually sought. If you can prove your idea, it would go into implementation. If you couldn't, no problem. The recommendation engine was once a novel idea that revolutionized Amazon sales and was instrumental into making it the #1 retailer in the world. Amazon was able to take this innovation and apply excellence to it. They standardized this practice throughout their platform to engage buyers in more sales. Now, since then, almost all online retailers have used this innovative practice, which for us now is just standard. There are countless examples throughout history of innovative ideas that companies were able to standardize to scale and to grow. From the printing press to the assembly line all the way to the smartphones. Everything that we take for granted now was once an innovation of its own. An organization should have a healthy mix of innovation and excellence to be able to scale and to grow. 20-80 to be exact. Your company should be focused on 20% innovation and 80% on taking that innovation and finding a way to make it repeatable and scalable. This means that if you find a way to innovate, then you should then spend the bulk of your time to standardize that process. Otherwise, it's just another idea that you can't execute on. Creating a culture of growth, innovation, and excellence, or as I call it, GIE, is the key to achieving success and reaching the next level. That is why I've created a free special mini training course called Growth Equals Innovation Plus Excellence. Click the link below to check it out right now, or go to velaniconsulting.com/GIE. Again, that's velaniconsulting.com/GIE and register today. Also, subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment on this and any other topic you'd like me to cover in the future. Again, this is Velani from Velani Consulting, and as always, let's grow, innovate, and excel together. Until next time.